Hi, welcome to Trans Chef. I'm Madison. Do you like sushi? I like sushi, but it can be kind of a pain in the butt. You got your wrappers and your MSG and your rice vinegar and soy sauce and sesame oil. You don't have to deal with any of that because you got Inarizushi. This is pre-seasoned. Fried bean curd pouches. It has all the seasonings already in it. It's got that soy sauce. It's got that rice vinegar. It's got that umami already in it. So we're gonna open this up and get started. All right. So you got these pouches. They're kind of wet. All that liquid seasoning, goes into the rice. So you got your mason jar. Empty out your mason jar full of rice that you prepared ahead of time. Then put in the fridge to cool, so it's nice and sticky. And we take our sticky rice, and we get a little wad of that. You got one of your pouches. Open up the little pouch, and you put all right, so very carefully open up a little pouchy, and you got a nice cavern in there, and you take your wadded up rice and you fill that cavern with the rice, and yep. And once you got your rice in there, put some little sesame seeds, and then we take an avocado. My cutting technique is not the safest, so I guess be careful around your fingies. Take a blunt knife. And score your avocado in vertically like this. There we go. Now you got your square lines on the avocado. Spoon. And you scoop all that. All the business. Now, take your avocado pieces and arrange them neatly around the edges of your pouch. Once you have your avocado lined up in there, you can put whatever you want in the pouch. Like, you can put more avocado, you can put imitation crab meat, you can put real crab meat, you can put shrimp, lobster, or leave it empty. Personally, I put Chicago style giardiniera in there, and estrogen.